Hey everyone, and welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new boat that just came in. This is a 2024 Sea Ray SDX 250. It's a 25-foot boat right here. So starting up in the bow, we do have our freshwater rinse off right here. Also a bow ladder, and then a spot to put your anchor. And as we walk down the hull of the boat, this is going to be white. Got our stainless steel rub realm components all over the boat here. And then up top, we do have this with a black tower and white accent, which looks really sharp. And then here at the stern of the boat, we have our sea deck right here. Nice area right on the stern of the boat to move around and relax. We do have a submersible swim step that does go down into the water. So it's a great way to enter the boat here or by the ladder over here as well. We do have this with the underwater lighting, and this is powered by a Mercruiser 300 horsepower Bravo 3. So tons of power to do all your water sports. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. We're going to start here on the stern of the boat and then make our way inside. We do have our seat back right here that does adjust forwards and backwards. That's what you get on the SDX line. So right here into a sun pad, and then also your co-captain and captain seating as well. We have a great entryway inside the boat, so you're not stepping on any upholstery. We do have our radio controls back here, another freshwater rinse down, and then an insulated cooler. And then making our way inside, L-shaped seating right here. Great spot for entertainment. This boat does come with a table right here, and then tons of storage underneath all the seats. And then right here, you have an additional cooler, and then also one up in the bow. So also we have a ski locker right here. This boat does come with a snap-in cover that is trailerable. And then making our way up to the helm right here, we have a flip-up bolster. So if you want to sit up higher and see what's going on behind the boat, you have that option. This does have the digital throttle and shift. This is powered by the 300 Mercruiser, so you're going to have tons of power when you're out in the water. And then also our tilt steering wheel right here. Simrad display screen, so you're going to have your engine diagnostics and also your chart plotting. It's all touchscreen and very accessible here at the helm. What you get on the SDX 250 is a port side entry into the bow, and then the head's going to be located below here at the helm. Then you can also fold those seats down. It's a great spot for kids to get out of the sun and relax, and then also a great area for storage. And then as we make our way up to the bow, we have our windshield that folds over, and then you can also block this off. Maybe on some of those cold mornings here in Minnesota, you can block out some of that cold air. And then this does have a bow filler cushion up here, so you can make this into a complete sun pad. Here's going to be your extra cooler as well. So guys, this boat is located here at our store in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, stop on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.